Hey everybody, in this video, we're going to talk about whether or not you are locked into a plan once you make an insurance decision. So let's get started. Okay, I want to talk first about a Medicare Advantage plan and a prescription drug plan. The reason I want to talk about these together is because they run on the same contract. So both of these plans have a calendar year contract, and that means when you apply for it, it will generally go till the end of that calendar year. If you want to make a change to a Medicare Advantage plan or a prescription drug plan, you would need to do this during the annual election period. The annual election period falls between October 15th and December 7th every year. So you are technically locked in for the calendar year, but you can make changes to a Medicare Advantage plan or a prescription drug plan every fall for the following year. And actually, I highly recommend looking at other plan options for the next year to see if there's a plan that could serve you better or more economically, especially with your prescription medication. Now, with the Medicare Advantage plans only, so I'm going to remove the prescription drug plan from this particular example. If you start January 1 on a Medicare Advantage plan, you're given an open enrollment period the first quarter of the year. So this is going to take place January 1 through March 31st. What this is allowing you to do is try this Medicare Advantage plan and see if it's really for you. Now, there's a couple of things that might influence your decision. Let's say when you started January or when you enrolled in the plan back in November, your doctor was in network. And then come February, the doctor says, no, I'm not in network anymore. I'm not going to take that plan anymore. I'm only going to take ABC plan. You can make a one-time change from the current Medicare Advantage plan that you started in January to the next one that your doctor takes. So you can definitely do that. The other thing could fall with your prescription medications. So we might have looked up and seen that your medication was covered by the Medicare Advantage plan that you're in for the following year. And then the first time you go to pick up medications, it's a nightmare. So if that happens to you, you can always either go back to the previous plan you had or choose another plan. Again, you can make a one-time change during the open enrollment period from your current Medicare Advantage plan to either another Medicare Advantage plan, or you can go back to original Medicare and get a prescription drug plan and even apply for a Medicare Supplement. So know that you have that one time. Once you make that decision in that first quarter, then you're pretty much locked and loaded for the rest of the year. So just know that, but you have a little bit of flexibility. Medicare brought back that open enrollment period, probably it was 2018 or 2019. So that could be helpful for you. Now let's talk about a Medicare Supplement. So Medicare Supplements are different because they don't have a calendar year contract. So what that means is they truly are a month-to-month plan. So if you're on a Medicare Supplement and you get a rate increase that you're not very happy about, you can price shop at any time. So you're not technically locked in. However, if you're outside of the first 6 months of being on Medicare, then you're now outside of the Medicare Supplement open enrollment period. What I mean by that is the month you turn 65 or the month you first get Medicare Part B and the 5 months after, those first 6 months are your Medicare Supplement open enrollment period. And during that time, you cannot be asked health questions by that Medicare Supplement insurance plan when you put in an application. But once you're outside of that open enrollment period, then the Medicare Supplement companies can ask you any question they want health related. So you can make changes at any time. However, you will have to go through all the health questions. And if you have anything pop up, then they could either deny a new application or they could rate you up. So there is a specific company that will charge, let's say, $120 for a plan, but if you have health concerns, they'll charge $300. So it's kind of an interesting ball of wax there. But know that all is not lost, right? You can always stay with your original plan if your new application comes back rated higher than we thought it was going to be. So that's some stuff to think about. Now, there's another scenario that you'll want to think about, and that is if you have a Medicare Advantage plan and then you want to switch to a Medicare Supplement. So there's a couple of scenarios. If it's the very first time you're in that Medicare Advantage plan, the start date of your Medicare Advantage plan matches the start date of your Medicare Part A date, then yes, in the first 12 months, you can go to a Medicare Supplement without any health questions. But let's say you've been on that Medicare Advantage plan for 5 years. During the annual election period, October 15th through December 7th, you can apply for a Medicare Supplement, and if they approve it, then you could make that change for January 1. So it's very similar from going from one Medicare Advantage plan to another. Same thing if you go from Medicare Advantage to Medicare Supplement. You're going to have that January 1 effective date because the Medicare Advantage plan is a calendar year contract. So because you're going to have to go through underwriting when you leave a Medicare Advantage plan and want to go through to a Medicare Supplement, you want to give yourself plenty of time, at least 2 weeks before the end of the annual election period, to find out whether or not you were going to be approved for that Medicare Supplement. I hope that makes sense. Now, on the reverse, if you're on a Medicare Supplement and you would like to go to a Medicare Advantage plan, you can also do that during the annual election period, and there's no health questions. So if you start Medicare on a Medicare Supplement, 5 years in, you're still super healthy, you never go to the doctor, you're like, hey, let's try that Medicare Advantage plan. During the annual election period, October 15th through December 7th, you can apply for a Medicare Advantage plan. It'll start January 1, and then you're in your calendar year contract. So you can make changes. Just know that some of those changes are going to require underwriting, which is going through all the health questions. Now, if you have a situation that's specific to you, please reach out to me, send me an email, and I can definitely help you with your specific situation. Otherwise, please share this video with your friends. Like it if you don't mind, and then also subscribe to either the YouTube channel, follow me on Facebook or LinkedIn, and that way you can get notifications whenever I do updates or bring you new content. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next video.